demo video of our newest software called Raiid app. So what is Raiid app? Raiid app in a nutshell is a software that enables users to instantly find the best selling ClickBank products in real time and then promotes, syndicates and profits with just 3 simple steps. So in step number 1, software finds out best-selling products in any niche in real time by just entering a keyword. In step number 2, Raiid finds content to match, creates targeted hub posts and embeds user affiliate link. And in step number 3, it syndicates targeted content across multiple platforms and drives lots of free traffic for you. So now let's go ahead and see how Raiid app works. So right now you can see I'm in the dashboard of Raiid app. I have already logged in with my user ID. So here the first thing you have to do is you have to select your subdomain. So let's go ahead and select our subdomain. I want to start my website in weight loss niche. So let's go ahead and start with this. So let's select this subdomain. So it's available now. I will decide the site title. So here you have to put your ClickBank ID, and if you don't know how to create, you can create one. I have added tutorial over here. So let's add our ClickBank ID. And from here you can select your niche. So here in this case I'm going to focus on cooking and food related to weight loss. So I will click here on cooking and food. Or else you can see we have got health and fitness here as well. So now you can see my site is already created, but it will take some time, few minutes to set up the subdomain and activate everything. So after 4-5 minutes your site would be ready. So after that you can go ahead and edit your site as per your requirement. You can simply click here to go and customize the feel and look of your website. So right now here I'm in the dashboard and my website that I have created with the subdomain weight loss is appearing over here. So let's go ahead and start with the product research. So click on product. That's the step number 1, and here you have to put your keyword. So weight loss is my keyword. I will click on search. Now software will give me every single product that is available on ClickBank with the details. So like how much commission you can make, what is the average dollar per sale and average rebill and all that stuff, what is the gravity, every single thing this software gives you. Then you can decide which one to promote. But let's go ahead now for now with this product, okay, and we will promote this. So click on promote here. Okay, again just enter your keywords. So say weight loss, and we have to now search for feeds. Okay, so just click on search feeds, and now you can see here few articles related to your keywords. So let's go ahead and edit this one. So click on save and edit. So now here you can see the shortlisted post is over here. So what we will do, we will just go and click on save and next, and post is added successfully. Once that is done, you can go here again in the dashboard and you can check your page. Okay, once you click and your page is ready, it will look like, so this is how your ClickBank website will look like. So whenever someone clicks on any of these posts, you can see here the button, okay, to promote relevant product, and the button is embedded with your affiliate link. So when someone clicks on this button and purchases product, you will get the commission. So this is how Raiid app works. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.